Oh, please tell me you watch Euphoria on HBO. I mean, you have Zendaya, you have Hunter Schafer. All of their makeup styles is so diverse and very attractive. We definitely believe that the makeup styles will be trending in 2020. If you haven't seen the show yet though, no worries, because today we're going to be sharing with you what's going to be trending in 2020. Hey guys, welcome back to Wishtrend TV. It's your sister Eunice here, and I'm so happy to see everyone. It's the very first episode of What's Trending, and we're so excited for this new year. Now, if you're kind of worried because the trend changes so fast, no worries, because What's Trending is here to give you an update on our beauty trends. Today, we're going to be talking about what's going to be trending for makeup styles, hairstyles, and even skincare, so stay tuned in and don't go anywhere. So everyone is talking about the makeup styles on Euphoria. I heard that there's even a hashtag Euphoria makeup. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. So we believe that really glamorous styles and vivid colors like you've seen in Euphoria will be trending in 2020. So the very key point of floating eyeliners is not to try to fill in the upper lash line, but to draw a bold line across your eyelids. And you can easily do this with a pencil eyeliner. So usually people draw the eyeliner with their eyes open along the crease like this. However, you don't have to do it this way. Be creative. And another tip is to use colorful eyeliners instead of just using plain black ones. So with the colors that we've just mentioned, white eyeliners are amazing. So Chaeyoung from Twice in their recent video Feel Special actually pulled off this eyeliner look so well. And Jennie from Blackpink, she's my favorite. She recently did the white eyeliner look and she pulled it off really well as well. I personally think that they were ahead of the game and they knew what's up. While using a classic black eyeliner can sharpen the eyes, it can actually close them up as well. If you use a white eyeliner, it can make them stand out and open them up even more. And this sparkly makeup that I feel like you're gonna look so good when you go to a party is definitely gonna be trending in 2020. And I'm sure that you've already seen so many celebrities do it. They use pearls or jewels or rhinestones on their eye makeup. All you have to do is apply the jewels or the rhinestones that you want to put on with the lash glue on the areas that you want to put on. And you should definitely check out Maddie's extravagant makeup that she did with these green rhinestones. She looked so good in it and a lot of people are obsessed with that look. So actually the base makeup is shifting from matte to natural. In 2020, more natural base makeup and lighter base makeup will definitely be in trend. So for dewy, glowy glass skin, go for watery liquid foundations. And with your concealer, just use a very small amount on the areas that you really want to cover and make sure that you don't do a full coverage makeup. Rather, go for a light coverage makeup that will blend in naturally with your skin texture. These days, makeup can be used as a way to express who we are. So rather than just following the trend, a lot of people are accepting many different diverse makeup styles because individuals are actually pulling off their makeup looks and expressing who they are. And I think we can definitely say that we were inspired by the Gen Zs. There is another way to switch up your style, and that is with your hairstyle. According to Pinterest Top Beauty Trend Report 2020, the 90s is back. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. So this was really interesting, but searches for hair clips that remind you totally of the 90s went up 930%, and searches for scrunchies has gone up 6,309%. That's pretty crazy, right? Well, starting last year, hair clips were really in, and it seems like in 2020 they will be staying in trend also, and they can come in handy when you want to portray different hairstyles, so keep an eye out for them. As you guys know, Pantone's color of the year is chosen every single year. And many industries actually set this as a standard color for the year, so that's why it has a huge influence on the industry. And Pantone's color of the year for 2020 is Classic Blue. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, so Classic Blue is a very sophisticated color, but at the same time, it's very calming and soothing. I feel like a lot of people can pull off that color really well, and last year, IU and Taeyeon from Twice pulled it off really good. When you're changing up your hairstyles, of course, it's important to figure out if the hair itself is gonna look good. However, what's more important is that the style suits you. Of course, following the trend is great. However, if you don't want to do anything too different or too drastic with your hair, actually adding a hair accessory is such a great option for you. So lastly, let's talk about the eye-catching skincare trends in 2020. Now, there is such a high demand to satisfy customers' needs for every skin type and different skin concerns. That's why customized skincare is becoming really popular. There are so many numerous amounts of serums and creams out there for each different skin concerns and every single skin type. That's why last year there were so many new launches from brands with effectors and boosters that you can actually add to your serums or ampoules too. One of the most eye-catching new technology is the Neutrogena's Mask ID. Now, this enables you to design your own 3D printed sheet mask with their app Skin 360. Anti-pollution skincare became a huge trend in 2019. However, in 2020, it's even gonna get bigger. Now, air pollution produces actually free radicals on the surface of your skin, and this can cause premature aging and pigmentation as well. As our concerns for air pollution is rising, companies are actually launching more anti-pollution skincare products. And of course, these products are amazing. However, we do have to remember that deep cleansing, making sure to remove all the impurities, is the first step and is the foremost important step. Vegan beauty and cruelty-free is a trend that protects our animal rights and also is respectful of the environment. Because of our higher ethical standards where we pursue beauty without harming other lives, many companies are going cruelty-free and are not using animal ingredients. Wishtrend is against animal testing, and we're curating vegan-friendly products with clean ingredients that is also effective. Actually, we're gonna put down some of our favorites in the description below, so please feel free to check it out. Lastly, we like to talk about sustainability. Like vegan beauty, a lot of consumers are more conscious of the choices that they make. Now, this is influencing the industry to support sustainable beauty. And Wish Company is taking part in this in many different ways. First of all, we've taken out any of the vinyl bubble wraps and we've replaced them with paper. And also, we're always researching to lessen the use of plastic as well. Second of all, Wish Company has been donating to organizations that support animals and the environment for the past 4 years. When a company strives to become an ethical company to support sustainable beauty, we believe that our customers will really know our effort. And in 2020, we believe it's going to be an amazing year for both the brands and the customers to support sustainable beauty. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Did you guys enjoy the video today? It was really fun to kind of figure out and realize what is going to be trending in 2020. Some of the trends, I feel like I want to try it right off the bat, and another trends, I'm not sure if I can really pull it off. However, any of your favorite makeup looks that you saw today, please leave it in the comments below, and our baby girl Iris will share you the how-tos in Beauty Hackers. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! If you don't have LTE data, download our podcast, okay?